I was a baggage handler at Delta Airlines, and I wanted to pursue a more challenging career, and aviation maintenance was a good fit. I'm Claire Oman. I'm a graduate in the Aviation Maintenance Technician program at MCTC. I like it because it's simple yet challenging, and it's fun. The Learning Jet is a cool experience. It's our commercial transport airplane that we have here at MCTC. There's a lot of tasks that involve a lot of teamwork and just everything to help each other and get the job done. And everybody works well together here.
I'm a recent graduate of MCTC in the aircraft maintenance program. My name is Kennedy Anyeni. Currently, I'm an employee of Delta Airlines as an aircraft mechanic. Once I went into the program, it was like a dream come true.